Okay, so good afternoon, students. Today we're going to be doing a mental math activity. So you guys don't need any pencils or papers or calculators or anything. You can put that all away. Really just need your brains for today. Thank you. So even though we are adults, I'm going to go over a couple of rules for us. Not really rules, but guidelines for us to follow. So first, when you guys have an answer, I'm going to give you how to think of an answer. You're going to show me your silent thumb. So your silent thumb is, you just put your thumb up like this, and I'll know that you're ready to have an answer. Secondly, I want you guys to not only have an answer, but I want you to be able to explain your thinking. So it's not enough to just think of an answer in your head and put your silent thumb. You need to think about how you got to that answer. Thirdly, you have to listen to others. So when other people are talking, you have to listen to them. And that leads into our fourth expectation, which is you have to listen to them in order to be able to explain how they're thinking. So for example, Lucas might give me an answer, and then I'll say, okay, Saeed, can you say in your own words how he got to that answer? And so you guys need to listen to each other to be able to explain that in your own words. Okay? So to start, I am going to put our first problem on the board. I want you to think about it, get an answer in your head, show me your silent thumbs, and then we will discuss how you got it. Okay? So our first problem, we're going to start at 9, and we're going to add 19. So you're starting at 9, you can add 19. So when you have an answer, show me your silent thumb. Everybody has an answer? Yeah? Okay. All right, so who can tell me their answer? Kappa.
My answer is 28.
You got 28. Is there any other answer? Anybody else get anything other than 28? No, we're all in agreement that the answer is 28. So Kappa, can you tell me how you got from 9 to 28?
I took one from 9 and I added it to 19, so it becomes 20.
Okay.
And then there was only 8 left, so I added it to 20, so it becomes 28.
Okay, so you broke it down. You said, you added.
I added one from the 9 to the 19, so it becomes 20, and then it was easier to see.
Oh, okay. So you started at the 19 and you added 1
Yeah.
to your 20, and then you added the last 8 to your 20. Okay. So you started 19 plus 1 gave you 20, right? And then you added the last 8. Okay, actually, you broke down the 9 into 8 and into 1.
Yes.
Added 19 plus 20 plus 8 equals 28. Did anybody else use a different strategy? That's good. Or actually, Lucas, can you say what Kappa did in your own words? How did he, using his strategy, how did he get to 28?
He broke down the 9 into 2 parts and then he added it to the 19.
Yeah, okay, good. So did anybody else use a different strategy than Kappa's to get to the 28? Aziza?
Well, the same thing, except instead of just adding 1, you know that 28 is number 4, right? So I just, right away, just went to 20, and then minus 1, so like I didn't think of the 8, I just like 29 minus 1 instead of 28. Does that make sense?
Okay.
And it's the same thing, except the first step, I just like,
You just like didn't add the 1 here?
yeah,
You just
I
added
did
9 to
20.
the 19.
Yeah. Like I went to like the closest even number.
Okay.
Or like out of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20. It's easier to count up that way.
Okay.
Minus 1.
9 equals 20 minus 1.
And like a 20 and
1 and then negative 1. And then a negative 1.
That's what you did? No. Okay. So, Saeed, can you explain how it's easy in your own words?
So she broke it up into, so she added, actually, 1 to the 19, right? Which got 20, right? And then, isn't that just the same thing as what Cameron?
Yeah, pretty much, but she broke down the 19, whereas Cameron broke down the 9. So she broke down the 19 into 20 minus 1.
But that's building it up, but it's not really breaking it up. If I was going to break that down, it would be.
But so this is a strategy that she used. So it's to be able to see that you can use the two, you can undo one operation that you did. So she
Okay.
added, but then she took away because subtraction is like the opposite of addition, right? So she added to get 20, but then she subtracted 1. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. So we have two strategies here. We'll try another one. So we're going to read that our next number is 28, right? So now we have 28. We are going to add 19 to 28. So same thing. We have an answer. Show your silent thumb. Everyone has an answer? Tiffany, what did you give as your answer?
47.
47. Did anybody get a different answer? No? Everyone got 47? So Tiffany, how did you get from 28 to 47? What did you do?
So I took the 19
Yeah.
and added 2 to the 28 to get 30. And then I added 30 plus 17 with what was left over from the 19
Okay.
and got 47.
Okay. So Tiffany she started at 28. She added 2 to give her 30. Right? So she got to 30, and then she just added the 17 that she took away because 19, 2, and 17. Does that make sense? Okay. So then she did 30 plus 17 equals 47. Okay. So, Gigi, can you explain because you have to and Tiffany did it?
So
So she started at 28 and she get to 47.
so she started at 28, rounded it up to like 30, nice, easy round number. And then she took the 19 and
What was left over from the 19, 17, and added 2.
and took what was left over from the 19, some 17, and then added it to 30.
And so her answer was
47.
good. Now, is there anybody who uses a different strategy? Saeed has a different strategy. So how did do you think that the answer is 47?
Yeah.
Okay, and how did you get to 47?
Well, you can do the same thing, but start with 19. So
Okay.
you add 1 to 19 to make it 20. And
Okay,
then you
so
just
that-
add the remainder of 27. You get 27.
Okay, so Saeed breaks up, he starts with 20 because that's his like comfortable number, sometimes you find comfortable numbers. And he broke it up into 19 and 1, right? Because 19 plus 1 gives us 20. Okay, and then what did you do? Sorry.
And then I know I subtracted, well, you gave 1 to 19 to make it 20, so that means you took 1 away from 28 to make it 27, so then you just add
So you just added, okay.
20.
So you took one away, so you said it's 27.
Yeah.
Right? You took one away. Good. Kava, can you re-explain what Saeed just said, how he got to 47?
kind of broke it down like we did earlier. So he took one from the 28 and he gave it to the 19. So we'll have the 20 and then it's easier to read. So you only have to put 20 plus 27 plus the one from 27 from 28 there on your side. So now it's just 20 plus 27, and we're able to do that easily because it's points around.
Perfect. Okay. So what we'll do is we're going to do one more number and then we'll start counting together. Okay, so we'll start counting together. We'll get a list of numbers and we'll start counting. So we'll do one more. So our answer here we said was 47. All agreed. Now we're going to add one more. Plus 19 again. Let's find what our next number will be. Again, when you're ready, show us your silent thumb. Okay, everyone has their silent thumb? Yes? Good. Okay. Who can give me an answer for the next? Aziza? 66. So her answer is 66. Did anybody get a different answer other than 66? We all agree an answer is 66? And are there any strategies that I haven't represented on the board that you think that somebody used? Can I use another strategy?
Yes, for that one I used a strategy. I kind of like first I just took 10 of it, 19 and put it to 47. That way I only had 9 left.
Okay, so you took 19, put it into 10 and 9.
Yeah.
Okay.
And so then I only have 57 plus 9.
Okay. So then you added 47 plus 10 equals 57.
Yeah. And then I added the 9 after.
And then you added the 9 on 57.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I know like if
And that gave you.
because I know that if we do an addition with 9, it's kind of like plus 10 minus 1.
Okay.
So it's kind of like if I can just get it to 9, it's easy for me.
Okay. Sure. Lucas?
I added 20 to the 47 and then I subtracted 1.
Oh, okay. So you did, well, actually, you could have did like, yeah, you did this one here, right? Where you added 20 and then you subtracted 1. So I'll represent this. So you had 47, you added 20, 57, and then you minus 1. Okay, good. So now what we'll do is we're going to do one more number before Edmund takes over. So essentially what he's going to have you do is just count numbers. So together, I want you guys to count. So you say it at the same time what the next number would be. And then we're going to get into a flow by using these strategies. So together, and I don't want you guys to go fast, I just have to be able to keep up. What would the next number be? 67?
56.
What would our next number be?
85.
85.
Oh, okay, so stop because Mr. Andrew is going to continue counting with you. No, you don't do them all. I didn't think you could do them all.
So, I'm Mr. Andrew. Thank you guys for being here. You guys did a very good job with Miss Michelle. But first things first, I want to go over the expectations for the class. So, if you're listening well, can you show me what this one is? Very good. Attentive group. Can you show me this one? Perfect. Double thumbs up. Can someone explain this one to me, please? Yes, Kemba?
This means that when you have the answer, you have to be able to explain how you got to the answer.
Exactly. So we need more than just answers. You also, along with that, need to be able to explain how you got your answer. Often, that's actually more important. Can someone help me with this one? Yes, in the back, Aziza. So listen when other people speak. It's important because. Can someone help me with this one? Kemba?
So you're able to see the different strategy the other people say it in your own words.
Exactly. So build off what other people are saying, and then together as a class, we're going to go from being down here to bringing the level up here. Teamwork, working together, super important. So we're going to go and we're going to add 19 again. But this one's going to be a little bit trickier, so I'm going to let you get with a partner. I'm going to give you 30 seconds. I want you to discuss what the answer is, how you got it, and why this one is a little bit different than maybe the first ones we did. So 30 seconds, go.
Oh, back down.
Yeah. Well, it's because it's trickier because like it's a bigger number. Like you're adding.
30 by 9, so 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and then 2, 4, 6.
Yeah, you just
10.
add 5 to 85 to make it 90, and then you have 14 left over.
But if you see the 9, 8, 8, 47, it ends in 7, ends in 6, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 would be the last number.
Ooh, that's how.
And then 2, 4, 6, 8.
Another,
and then
last 10 seconds, last 10 seconds.
Okay, that makes sense. Yeah. Oh, I did. Good pattern.
So if you want to share your answer with me, I just need the answer for now. Yes, Tiffany, what was your answer?
104.
104. Did anyone get a different answer than that? Everyone's with that? Okay. Very good. Can you explain to me how you got that answer, Tiffany?
Yeah, so from the 19, I added 5 to 85.
Okay.
So to make it 90, and then you had 14 left over, so you add 14 to 90 to
Okay.
make 104.
So basically 85.
Yeah.
You-
Plus
Like on the bottom. Okay. So you took 85,
and added 5,
you added 5, and you got
90.
90. Okay, an easier number to work with. What did that do to your number that you were adding? The 19.
It made it 14.
Okay, so from that, you had 19, and you subtracted 5 because you added up there to get 90.
Yeah,
You were left with
14.
perfect, okay. And then from there,
I added the 90 and the 14 together to make 104.
okay, so you broke it down. You broke your 19 into 4, and it was easier to work with that way. That makes sense with that one. But you did some addition and some subtraction to do that. So that's very good. Did anyone have a different method of getting there? Let's say.
So we have like a general rule of thumb. So whatever number you see there, so we saw 85, right?
Yeah.
You just plus 20 minus 1. Just follow that.
Just
work
stick with that formula.
and
It does work very well. So let's pick right there. You added 20. What did you get?
So we get 105 minus 1.
Okay. All right. Very good. Can someone tell me maybe something that was different about this addition than the prior ones? Kemba?
This one was bigger numbers, so the other one was kind of easier to see, but this one has bigger numbers, so it's kind of like 3 digits. It's kind of like
Exactly. 3 digits. So we're taking into consideration the place value now. So when you're going on to the next ones, I want you to keep that in the back of your mind. We're working with bigger numbers and bigger place values. So we're going to add 19 again. I'm going to give you thumbs up, thumbs up. Yes, Lucas, can you help me? $123. Did anyone get a different answer than 123? Do you want to share with us how you got the 123? There's no pressure. No pressure. You can call a friend if you want.
I followed the formula that we've been using, so I added 20 and subtracted. So 104, I added 20, so it gave me 124 minus 1 gave me 120.
Great. Gigi, can you explain how Lucas did that one?
They found a formula that would give them the answer, plus 20 minus 1, that gives you, it's the same thing as 19.
Very
So basically, instead of using 19, they would plus 20 minus 1 to get to the number they
Very
needed.
good. So everyone seems to be going to that strategy. Did anyone use a different strategy than 20 minus 1? Is it in the back?
In the meantime, this will work for every time that you start at 9, it will work all the way down to back to like 1. But then every time you restart, you have to restart your thinking. So you do plus 2 for so because it's hundreds, you just like take away the 100 and you do plus 2. So we're at 0. So plus 2 would be 2, and then minus 1 from the last digit. So the first digit stays the same. The second digit you add 2. The third digit you minus 1. So 103, so 1, you just keep it the same. 0, you add 2, and then 4, you minus 1. So what's
That's good for now, but I think you're jumping ahead. But eventually that might not work. So we're going to continue. So we agreed it was 123. Plus 19. Thumbs up if you have an answer. Want to see thumbs up? Tiffany?
142.
Does anyone have a different answer? Okay. Very good. That's right. We're going to start going through it a little bit quicker. So we're going to try to count it. So can someone help me here?
161.
161?
No.
Okay.
180.
180. 180. Ah, okay. The famous 180. So here, it gets a little simpler or trickier, depends how you look at it. I'm going to give you 15 seconds, get with a partner, try to discuss what happens on the next one, and then thumbs up when you're ready.
0. I don't know.
No, it would be 191.
Yeah.
199. But it wants us to see the 199.
180 plus 19.
It's because it's a round number.
Yeah, I don't know.
With the, I don't want to get too complicated.
So, anyone have an answer? In the back is Aziza.
It's 199 because you're already at an even flat number, so you just have to add 19.
So 199. Can someone explain to me why that's a special, different than what we had done on the previous ones? Lucas?
Our number ends in 0, so we know that. We just add 9. We get to 199.
Exactly.
Even number.
So we didn't have to change the place values. It was just keeping it the same. Very good. So I'm going to bring it over here. And I'll go. Very good. So as we're going through the next couple ones, we're going to go through it a bit quicker. Maybe check to see if you can see a pattern building. So can someone help me here?
218.
118. 218. Sorry.
Just remember the expectations for the class. Thumbs up if you have an answer. It'll make it easier for all of us. So
237.
thumbs up. Yes, Cameron?
127.
56.
Okay, very good. Over here. Tiffany?
256.
6.
78.
Very well. Over here.
275.
Take a look.
294.
294. Back, can see that? Someone else can see that? Kemba?
13.
Very good. Okay. Kind of figuring it out. Lucas?
332.
Tiffany?
that would be 351.
Yes. 70. Okay, we're gonna jump over here. Mr. Saeed. 370 plus 90.
389. Wait, 389, yeah. 389.
Very good.
Just write it down when I see it.
Over here. Gigi.
408.
Okay, very good. And then the last one with me. Lucas.
427.
427. Very good. You guys are very good. You guys seem to be picking it up. And I'm going to give it to Miss Andrea to take over to wrap it up, bring it all together.
Okay, so thank you class for participating so well. We have a big set of numbers. So I'm just going to focus on this rule for our last part because this is where the interesting stuff is happening. We're going to look and see if we see some patterns, if we see some different things with the number. So it's really important to explain your thinking to everybody and to explain your thinking, to try to understand what others are saying because maybe you didn't see the same pattern. To listen to each other, and of course you've done it so well, you're a silent thumb. So now I'm going to give you 20 seconds to discuss with your friends, looking at this set of numbers, if you see any patterns.
It goes down.
Discuss.
210. And then plus.
And then it starts again.
The last number it goes down. And the second number it's always plus 2. So like 0 and then 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19. And then the last
5
number
per
is
second.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yeah.
Is everybody ready? We have a pattern in mind. Okay, guys, you'll have more time to discuss, okay? So, Aziza, do you want to share your pattern? What do you see? We're listening to Aziza.
So, in the first one, you can see that the second, like the last digit is always getting down by 1, and the second to last digit,
Where do you see this?
like the first line, 9,
Horizontally?
8, like horizontally.
Yeah.
So, like the last digit, so 9, 8, 7, 6, you're counting down. Then it repeats itself in the next one. So 9, 8, 7, 6, yeah, and it repeats itself again. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the last digit is always counting down by 1.
So the units are always going down by 1.
Yeah, and then the same thing, you can look at the second digit. So the first, so 9 doesn't have like, it's only 1, but 28 has 2 digits. So
Okay, we'll give the chance to others, okay? Thank you, Aziza. So I'm going to write it down in our pattern section. So Aziza said, Lucas, what did Aziza say? How can I write it here?
She said that as we increase our numbers, the last digit decreases by
So the last digit is called the units. So the units, so horizontally, units
decreases by
-1.
increase by 1. Do you understand my writing? Okay, so Gigi, what pattern did you see? Was it a different one?
No, it's the same thing for the units.
It's not the same thing. Do you see a different one?
For the les dizaines,
Yeah.
how do you say that in
Tens.
English?
Tens,
Yeah.
yeah.
The tens is it goes up to. So 9. It's you can imagine it's 0, 9.
And here?
Yeah. So then it's plus 2 tens. So that makes 20s and then 4 plus. So it's like plus 20 every time.
Okay.
20, 40, 60, 80.
Yeah. So you see how this can relate to our strategies? How we use the plus 20? So does it work everywhere?
Yeah.
Where else do you see?
Well, first line plus 20, 40, 60, 80. And then 100, 120, 140, 80. And then, psych.
As
First
you
line
go
it
up.
goes. Yeah,
Yeah,
the first 10 lines. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then after that,
4.
20, 20.
So it's always plus 2 tens. So plus
Yeah.
20. So I'm gonna write it here. Tiffany, how can I write this here?
So you'd write 10 plus 20.
Plus 2. Because
Plus two,
10
right.
is as
Right.
if we had a 20.
As if there was a zero.
Okay, so Canva, can you give me your pattern?
So we noticed that vertically,
Yeah.
the units will stay the same.
Where do you see that?
So basically, if you take the 9, the unit is 9, and you go down 199, the unit is also 9. Then if you go down again, 389, the unit is 9.
Okay, so you saw that. Is it the same thing everywhere?
Yes.
Where else? Everywhere.
8, 7.
8, 7.
Every type was the same vertical.
Okay, sorry, how can I write this here? So vertically,
Okay, vertically it stays the same.
what stays the same?
Main thing except for the last unit.
So units. Stay. Tiffany, did you see a different pattern? No.
No.
Canva, did you see a different pattern?
We also noticed that vertically, the 10s went down 1.
Vertically, the tens are going down 1. Where do you see that?
So basically, like if you see the 28,
Yeah.
the 10th is 2, and the 218, the 10th is 1, and the 408, the 10th is 0. So every time the 10 goes down 1. It's just more tricky with the first one because depends how you see it. Since it's 0, people don't see that 10. So the number 9 over there, the 10 people don't see that 10. So might be tricky over there, but otherwise it's the same.
Okay, so yeah. So you're saying the 10 isn't the same thing everywhere? Does it work? For the whole thing? Yeah? Okay, so I'm gonna write how do you want me to write it?
Vertically, 10 minus 1.
Vertically 10 minus 1. Minus 1 or minus 10?
Minus 1.
Okay. Okay, so what if I had a number here? What number would go there?
637.
No.
Oh, 617, sorry.
Aziza said 617. How did you get that?
4 plus 2, 2 minus 1, 7, stays the same.
4 plus 2, that's the
The
hundreds.
hundreds,
Yeah.
you always add 2. Vertically down,
Oh,
you add
where did
2.
you have? You haven't been through this one. So hundreds.
I have
What about here?
that's 0.
That's seen as 0.
So plus 2 vertically down for the hundreds. And then,
So here,
yeah.
it should be 6.
And then if you apply the other thing that we said vertically down, the 10s, it's minus 1.
The 10 is minus
So
1.
that would be 1. And then the 7, so the units it stays the same vertically down.
Good job, Aziza. Write this down. So vertically, 100. Another question. What if we had a number here? What would number 8 be?
800.
that the same? So what's is that the same for horizontal? So what are some answers I'm hearing?
674.
864? 74?
674.
674?
Yeah, 674.
What else? I said 64. So Cameron, can you tell me how you got to 874?
I thought it was a level under, so I didn't.
Oh, okay. So if it's a level above,
Yes,
okay.
674.
674? Okay. So I'm going to erase that 874 because it's kind of a mistake. Okay. So our answer for number 8 is still 674. Does someone have a different answer? No? Okay, so Lucas, explain to me how you got to 674.
Well, if we follow the same pattern like we did before, if we drop down 200.
Because technically there's still a number
Yes.
above here.
Yes. So I did the same thing.
Okay?
So,
So
in my
from
head,
here?
I saw that it went to 4.
What went to 4?
The 200.
The 200, the hundreds?
Yes, went to
Here it would be 4.
4. Yes. Then we minus 1 in the tens. So that would be 8. 9 minus 1.
Yeah.
And then for the 4, it stays the same.
So the unit stays the same as if we determined in our patterns.
Yes.
So you did this first step and then
And then we replicated it for the next.
so then it would be
We have 6.
6 for the
So
hundreds.
we're adding our 2, and then we subtract 1 from the hundreds. And then the 4 remains the same.
Perfect, Lucas. Very well done. Oh, a different one. So it's one level down from this. Do we have some answers? Aziza? 902. Aziza said 902. 902. Do we have a different answer?
Stays the same. 1002.
1002?
I think so. Wait,
Where did you get 1,000?
Wait, what's
Going
that?
up by Saeed.
Is it?
That's an even number.
Is it in the?
We're listening to each other, Aziza.
Okay. Is it
So
under?
respect everybody. We'll
Yeah. See,
get
I'm
over
trying
the
to figure it
answers.
out. So is it under 313 or under 332?
It's under 332.
They're looking vertically.
Looking for
The
it.
pattern's vertically.
Oh, and trying to figure out what the number would potentially
Yeah.
be there.
Yeah, so it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. It would
That's
be
what
the
I
fifth
thought,
line.
but I got really lost.
So I'm
No, yeah. It's like the
Okay,
fifth
cool.
line.
That
902
makes
is
sense.
correct.
Is correct.
Can I have someone to explain me how it got to that answer? Gigi, you want to explain to me?
Sure. So we're looking down the line vertically.
Yeah.
The units is going to stay 2 the whole time
Oh, yeah. How do you know that? Because
because of the pattern. Like we're looking down vertically at the line. So 2, 2,
Yeah.
so we could assume
2 would
2.
stay the same.
And then the 10s, we can see it's going down 1.
Yeah.
So going down 1, some 4 minus 1, 3, and then it goes another line down. So minus 1, 2, another minus 1, 1, and then another minus 1, 0. And then after that,
Hundreds?
the hundreds are going up 2. So 1 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 9.
Yeah, good job, Gigi. I want to ask you guys, we broke down the patterns vertically by units, tens, and hundreds. Do we see that vertically there's a pattern that can be composed by a number? So you know how we said it's plus 19? Is it plus something going down?
90.
Minus 90.
Plus,
Yeah,
The whole number. So it was plus 19 horizontally, and then vertically, is it plus something?
190. No, 290? 290.
Tiffany, you want to share me your answer?
well, it looks like it's going down by 10. Like, you have.
From here to here, it's minus 10. From number 9 to
Oh, no,
199.
sorry. No, I was looking at the tens. So
Oh, yes.
the tens are going down by 10?
Yeah.
So they're descending?
Yeah, so we had determined that before.
Yeah.
So, as a whole number, does it go down by a number? Yes, Kamba? Or does it go up?
Yeah, you have to add the 190 every time we go down vertical.
Where do you see that?
In the first one, we see that.
Yeah.
And our rule was like, the rule we came up with that the 100 would go up by 2, and the tens would go down by 1. So if you do that, if you do plus 200 minus 10, it becomes 190.
Oh, so smart. Sit down.
and we see
Be
also
humble.
Oh, yeah, 190. Oh.
It's an easy number.
Here we see it is still plus 190. And then you said 104?
294 is an easy number.
Yeah, it is an easy number. Plus 190. Do we know where the 190 comes from?
19 times
19 plus 0.
Where is the 10?
Not 0.
Yes, Kamba?
We did it 10 times the number. We addition did 10 times plus 19.
Yes. So, I don't know if you noticed, but horizontally there's 10 numbers. So we did 10 times 19. So that's why we switched the line to go down vertically. And that's why
Gotcha.
190 is 19 times 10. Good job, class.
And
conclude.
I'm not the reason.
Conclusion. So nice work today for looking for different patterns. Good job at explaining your thinking. It was hard at first, but then we got together and we determined it. I especially like how everyone participated and we did not judge each other if we didn't have the right answer. We talked about it and we improved as a classroom. Good job.
That was
Higher levels of
Thanks.
thinking.
Come back.
Wasn't this fun?
We're